In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch SteamVR Room Setup. If you're getting ready to use VR and want to make sure your play space is set up properly, this process is an important first step. SteamVR Room Setup helps your system understand where you'll be standing, sitting, or moving, so your experience feels accurate and safe. To begin, open SteamVR from Steam. Make sure your VR headset and any controllers or tracking devices are connected and powered on if needed. Once SteamVR launches, you should see the small SteamVR status window appear. This is the control center where you can access setup options and check that your hardware is being detected correctly. Next, look for the menu button shown as the three-line icon in the SteamVR status window. Click that menu button to open the available options. If you've never used this area before, take your time and make sure you're clicking inside the SteamVR window, not the main Steam app. The room setup option is found specifically in the SteamVR interface. From that menu, select Run Room Setup, or in some versions, it may simply say Room Setup. Both options take you to the same general calibration process. This is where SteamVR walks you through defining your VR space so it can better track your position and help prevent you from moving beyond your safe area during gameplay. When the setup opens, choose the option that matches how you plan to use VR. Select Standing Only if you'll mainly be seated or standing in one place. This is a good choice for smaller spaces or for experiences where you don't need to walk around. Choose Room Scale if you have enough open space to move safely while wearing the headset. Room Scale is ideal for more active VR experiences, but only if the area around you is clear and suitable for movement. After choosing the correct mode, follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate your play area. SteamVR will guide you through the steps needed to define your floor level and boundaries. As you do this, make sure the area is free of obstacles like furniture, cables, or anything else you could bump into. Good lighting and properly positioned tracking hardware can also help improve accuracy. Once calibration is complete, your VR space should be ready to use. That's all it takes to launch SteamVR Room Setup and get your environment configured properly. If you ever move your setup to a different room or rearrange your play area, it's a good idea to run Room Setup again so everything stays accurate.